Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. I'm very happy to present you the bajiquan part 3. In the beginning of this video, we're going to present you the bajiquan tutorial, the combo number 5 and number 6. In the end of this video, we will present you the whole form of bajiquan. So you can looking forward what you're going to learning. Also, you will get answer why bajiquan is the number 1 Kung Fu style. To make step left and rotate your both hand, so left hand become flat and right hand go up just a little bit, and from there and your both hand to make a circle from left to right and both hand back to your waist, and to make a step your right become horse stance and double pump with your power and go shot like this. Right, stop! Your right hand go down and go to the other side, and left hand and pop your right hand, and all the way twist like this way, like a wheel, and you go knee lift and you make stop with power and step left. And double push pound, and left hand to the same, to go your right side, go up all the way and twist this way, and your right hand following this way, and you go knee lift left and stop, then landing by horse stance, same thing, and double push pound. Stand up. Left hand become twist, and same thing your right hand, and twist the power from left wrist and straight to make a strong punch, and your right hand become elbow just right there. And the next move, you go step left, and you go punch right, left hand back to waist, and the same thing, you stop right, and you punch left, and the last move, you twist your waist, become horse stance, your left hand back to your shoulder level, and to make your right strong, punch, horse stance, punch right. Many years ago in China, the Emperor Qianlong went to Shaolin Temple. He saw the both style of Taijiquan and Bajiquan. He impressed for both of style, and he said only Bajiquan and Taijiquan together make the world peace and stable. That's why I call Bajiquan is the number 1 Kung Fu style. What do you think, my friend? Let me know. Leave your comment below. Hope you enjoy the #1 Kung Fu style of 八极拳. Happy New Year 2021. New Year's with new goal. One of my goals is to make the best quality of radio for my friend, just like you. What is your goal, my friend? Leave a comment below, let me know. Also, remember that nothing is impossible with a willing heart. So keep training hard and keep trying until you win. Thank you very much. I love you all. Happy New Year. I see you in the next video.